Hi, this is Adrian from Acorn Finance. Today I'm going to walk you through adding our Acorn Finance widget to your emails, specifically your Gmail. We're going to start here with a page that we developed for you, specifically your individual account, and simply start here with the add financing to your emails. Click on this button which says copy email widget, and you'll see that it acknowledges that you clicked it. Then you go into your Gmail account. So log in or move over to it. Click on Compose up upper left-hand corner here, and you can draft an email and simply right-click, highlight, paste. Your Acorn Finance widget is added to that. You could send that to your customer. Additionally, you can add this to your signature line. In this upper right-hand corner, there's this gear-looking icon. You highlight it, it says Settings. Then you come down to See All Settings. Click on that as well. And then you're just going to scroll down until you see the signatures option here. Click on Create New. You can create a signature with, signature with Acorn, or whatever you'd like to label it. Put your information in, and same thing, right click, hit paste, and you've got a signature line ready to go. Right here, you can add it for every single new email or on reply forward. And then scroll to the bottom, click Save Changes, and you're done. When you hit Compose, you will actually have your signature ready to go with the Acorn Finance widget already enabled. Any other questions, please reach out. We are here to help. Thank you.